Hi guys, welcome to LDFS. I'm Dr. Lakshmy. Today we'll be discussing about the salary structure in Dubai. So kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel and let us know how you like our earlier videos, and do you have any doubts? Do you want us to create a video on any new topic? Kindly let us know in the comment section below. Today we'll be discussing about the salary structure over here. So the whole salary is divided into two parts. One is on a percentage basis they'll offer you, or else they'll offer you a fixed salary. Let's discuss the percentage basis first. In percentage basis, what happens is when the clinic offers you a percentage, they offer you percentage, let's suppose 30 percentage, example, 30 percentage of the income to the clinic, not of the revenue you made for the clinic. Now, what do I mean by that? Imagine you did a few patients in a month, and in a month you got around 1000, you collected around 1000 dirhams. Okay. You were promised 30% of the income of the clinic. Now, this 1000 dirhams which you made for the clinic was the revenue for the clinic. Out of this revenue, they will deduct the lab cost, material cost. This is the usual one which they deduct. There are some clinics which will deduct some amount of rent, they'll deduct some amount of maybe salary. We need to actually understand what is the structure they are looking at. How much are they going to offer? So the percentage basis, you need to ask questions, what all will be deducted? Sometimes the lab and the material cost is the only one. Sometimes they will add the revenue. They'll add the rent. So let's suppose this clinic which you were working in, they said we need to add everything, and it is around 300 dirhams which will be deducted from the 1000. So from you made the clinic 1000 dirhams revenue. Out of that, 300 dirhams was deducted. So you made an income for the clinic for about 700 dirhams. Now, out of the 700, you were promised 30%. Okay, so 30% of 700, which is 210 dirhams. So 210 dirhams is the salary for that month for you. So that is how it works. So you need to understand that how, if somebody offers you a percentage, how much are they offering, what all deductions is going to happen, and approximately how much patient flow is there in that clinic. You will never understand if you ask them. They will tell you that they have a good flow, but if you have some connections over there, that's better. So if somebody offers you percentage, I would really recommend if you have some connection with the local dentist who is working over there, then you will have a better idea about the clinic, that how much are they making, how much is the dentist getting, how much is the patient flow and everything. Because personally, when I was searching for the job, they have offered me the percentage, but I was not okay with it, because we never know how much are we earning. That's a major concern for me. And usually when they start the clinic, and now this varies also, the patient flow varies also. If somebody is starting the clinic and giving you a percentage, the patient flow doesn't increase by just 1 or 2 months. It takes a long period of time, and definitely the clinic also has to put in some money for the marketing and everything. If they are not putting in money for the marketing and all those things, they won't get patients. And if they are not getting patients, then that means our salary is also affected. So always take care of these things if you are opting for a percentage based salary. That's first thing. And usual percentage is from 20% to 40%, which usually they pay. But there are some more also, sometimes less also, but on an average I'm saying. Now, next other thing is the fixed salary. Fixed salary, it ranges. Actually, it ranges. But to just give you an average, how much they offer is from 3,000 to up to 8,000. This is the average salary which majority of the clinic offer. Now, if you convert this money, I know you'll feel that it's not more. Like 3,000 will be around 60,000, and 8,000 will be around 1.6 lakhs. So I would really recommend, don't convert, please, because when you convert, you are not converting the cost of living here. The cost is high, the rent is high, the transport is high, the children's education is high, health and those insurances are high. When a clinic offers you a salary, always take into these consideration, where is the clinic located, how far is it from the public transport like the metro or the bus, because metro and the bus are the cheapest form of transport which you can do over here. So how far is it located from the bus or the metro, and what are the work timings, because in summers it's very difficult to travel here in noon time. So take care of those things. There are only the 3 to 4 months which is very good, like in the winter and all, from October to November, December and all those things. So there, that time is actually good, and noon you can travel. But during the summer peak, like now it is in June, it's quite hot literally, so you can't travel much. So that's that. So always take care of those things. So other than that, you need to understand how are you going to live there, like is it with your family, is it with your kids, or you are living there alone. So it matters a lot. And other thing is the insurances. Usually the clinic will never give the insurance, they will also never give the visa also. So you need to understand these things, which clinic is giving us visa and all those things. And other than that, when you join, there is a little expense, like after DHA license also, the DHA needs to be activated, and that for that activation the clinic has to be done from the clinic side, from wherever we are working. So that cost itself, with the indemnity bond we have to take, these two are a major cost. It is around 3,000, you can see easily. I think it is around 3,700 or something, but 3,000 easily the dirhams it will go. So that's the kind of money which you have to put in. Majority of the clinic won't do it. It has to be from our pocket. If the clinic does it for you, awesome, but maybe then there will be some contract which you are signing, that it will be for 1 year and all. And also, when you are signing a contract, remember to read all the clause, all the conditions and everything, that how you can somebody will sign it for 2 years, somebody will sign it for 3 years, somebody will sign it for 1 year, how is the salary increase, and all those things you have to see. And if you have to exit, what are the clause, everything. So whenever you are joining somebody, these are the things which you need to take care. And the salary structure as such, it's lot different from one clinic to another clinic. Like similar to in India, when imagine a clinic which is there in the marketplace, where there is local crowd, where the low paying crowd is there. The salary of those clinics, the dentist working over there, will be less. Whereas in a posh clinic, where there are high paying customers coming, the salary of the dentist over there also will be high. Similarly, is the similar thing over here. The clinics which are there in Dera, Bardubai and those areas, the salary structure will be less, because they are low paying customers. But if you are working in a clinic over in maybe Jumeirah or Business Bay or something like that, where high paying customers are coming, you will be paid more. So always try from a personal point of view, that you can, if you can, and if you get a chance to work in a good sector like Jumeirah or some other place like that, the Business Bay and all, you will get a good salary. Or else you may have to, if you are going into some other area where it's low paying customers, the salary will be little less. So that's the whole salary structure over here. I hope this helped you. If you have any other doubts or anything, kindly let me know in the comment section below. And like us, subscribe to our channel, and send us a hi on this number. We'll add you to a special broadcast list, and you'll be notified whenever we are releasing any new video. Thank you so much, guys. Until next time, bye.